Okay, here's a problem that came across my desk. We are given 2 points, one at negative comma 1 and one at 4 comma 5. And we're going to do a few things with those 2 points. First, let's graph them. This is not the world's best graph, but that's okay. All right, negative 1 comma 1, 4 comma 5. 2 points is all I need to draw a straight line. Now let's talk about the slope between those 2 points. We've got our rise and our run. And we can just count 1, 2, 3, 4 is our rise. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is our run. Another way to do that is to stack them, subtract them, and add them by changing the signs. 1 plus negative 5 is negative 4. Negative 1 plus negative 4 is negative 5. The rise comes from the y's. Rise over run, negative 4 on top, negative 5 on bottom. A negative divided by a negative makes a positive. So either way you do it, our slope is 4 over 5. So that's our slope. Another thing we can do is we can calculate the distance between these 2 points. This is a right triangle. So we could call this leg A, and we could call this leg B, and we could call the distance that we're trying to find C. And we can use the world's most important mathematical formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That is the Pythagorean theorem. And we take these same 2 numbers, the rise and the run, that you can find this way, or another way, and we put them in for A and B. 4 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 16 plus 25 is 41. And then we can take the square root of both sides to cancel out the square. And we get c is radical 41. Now you could estimate that with a calculator and it would be 6 point something, but we can also just leave it like that. So we have 2 points. We know how to graph them, draw a line, the line that is defined by those 2 points, right? We know how to calculate the slope, 4 over 5, and we also know how to calculate the distance between those 2 points. If you have a math problem that you would like me to demonstrate, put it in the comments and I will. Hope that helps.